Let's take few minutes to run through all the new enhancements that are delivered with ProConcrete Connect Edition Update 5. So let's begin. ProConcrete now has improved rebar selection. The Update 5 has introduced the new PC toggles for better control over rebar while modeling. The PC toggles tool is loaded by default when the application is started. However, if you do not find this on the interface, you can still load the same by calling it from the toolboxes. Firstly, the PC toggle tool allows to select rebar as a whole rebar assembly as in the previous version of ProConcrete. The next toggle, that is Select Rebar Set, allows to select the rebar sets in the rebar assembly. In this case, the opening in the concrete slab has divided the rebar assembly into sets all around the opening. Thus, Select Rebar Set allows to select the rebar in assembly as individual sets. While with the existing selection methods, assigning item types to rebar was not much flexible. The new Update 5, having introduced the ProConcrete toggles, offers much more versatility in this scenario. Now you can assign the item types to an entire rebar assembly or a single rebar element. So when you use any of the PC toggles for rebar selection, editing properties for a single rebar or rebar set will apply the same modification to the entire rebar assembly just as it worked previously. Just choose the rebar selection type and identify the rebar set. Then you just need to assign the desired item type to it. You can then review the newly added information in the Properties section. Lastly, the Select Rebar element allows you to select an individual rebar in the assembly to help you manage the information or attribute to the last rebar in each assembly or set. We have many more benefits of this new feature added to the application while also retaining all the previous properties. With the new rebar selection options, you can also assign different attributes to different rebar sets in the same assembly. For instance, you can apply different colors and levels, facilitating better and improved control over the display of rebars by hiding a part of the entire rebar assembly or regenerating the same again. In previous versions, ProConcrete was only able to show delimiters for the first and last bars in the section. Now with the Update 5, the dual range display has been added to the existing delimiters. With this, you can display the first two and last two typical bars in the set with the delimiters. This feature works with the dual delimiter type only, and the same must be selected while in the bar range display command. Set the range display as dual and configure other parameters as required. The first two and last two rebars in the set will then be annotated in the delimiters. Similarly, this can be set up for the main bars in the vertical or X direction as well. Also, the same has been applied to longitudinal bars, wherein you can display the first two and last two bars in the view. Along with this, an inline label has been added to the same, so that you can annotate these longitudinal bars more effectively. Another new feature of the ProConcrete Update 5 is that the delimiters now follow the exact distribution path of rebars. In earlier versions, the delimiters would adjust the bar range display to simplified linear paths. Now, in the new update, we have added the radial option in the range display that optimizes the delimiters to adapt to the exact distribution path of rebars. This new feature enables the rebar delimiters to follow complex paths, such as in this case, where one end of the rebar set has a slight slope and the other end has a steep slope. The delimiters in Update 5 will recognize and adapt to the true rebar distribution path to maintain uniformity in the display of drawing section. The next enhancement of ProConcrete Update 5 is that the delimiters are improved to work with radially distributed bars and curved rebars. Previously, these delimiters were not correctly created and would appear offset from the shape. In the new update 5, the delimiters can be adjusted to these radial paths and curved rebars by selecting the Modify Rebar tool and then checking on the radial option in the Range Display section. The delimiters work in accordance to all delimiter types from typical to external type delimiters. These delimiters can also be displayed with dual bars, that is depicting the initial 2 rebars and the last 2 bars in the drawing section. In a similar fashion, the delimiters are also enhanced to adapt to curved bars in the section. Previously in Pro Structures, one could adjust the location of delimiters in the Bar Range Display dialog box by staggered increments in either direction. Now, in the Update 5, you can dynamically adjust the position of delimiters by user-defined data points on the go. All you need to do is click on a delimiter, use the Modify Rebar tool and apply the Bar Range Display command. You can then directly adjust the location of the delimiter. To trigger this feature, you need to edit the display.sys file and set the value of ILBL to 0. Along with these features, the Update 5 is packed with some more exciting upgrades like rebar auto labeling, improvements in schedule, and enhancements in manual bar marking, which will be demonstrated with detail in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more such content, consider subscribing to our channel and also look out for the next exciting videos in the series.